Understanding Game Installation, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, game installation. This is a common term in the digital world, especially among those who enjoy video games. Understanding this phrase will not only expand your vocabulary but also give you insight into a common activity in the digital age. So, let's dive in. Game installation refers to the process of transferring a video game from its source, like a CD, DVD, or online platform, to a device where it can be played. This device could be a computer, a gaming console like PlayStation or Xbox, or even a mobile phone. The installation process often involves several steps like downloading the game files, copying them to the device, and sometimes, setting up the game to suit the user's preferences. Here, we will break down the typical steps in the game installation process. 1. Acquiring the game. This could be through purchasing a physical copy, like a CD, or downloading it from an online store. 2. Starting the installation. On a CD, this might start automatically when inserted into the device. For downloads, you usually need to click on the downloaded file. 3. Following installation instructions. A setup guide usually appears to guide you through the process. This might include accepting terms and conditions, choosing an installation location, and other preferences. 4. Completion and setup. Once installed, you might need to set up game settings like graphics quality or controls. Like any technical process, game installation can sometimes face issues. Here are a few common ones and their solutions. 1. Insufficient storage space. Ensure your device has enough space before starting the installation. 2. Corrupted files. This can happen during downloading. Re-downloading the game can often fix this issue. 3. Compatibility issues. Make sure the game is compatible with your device's operating system and hardware. Understanding game installation is part of getting to know the digital world better. We hope this video helps you grasp not only the meaning of this phrase but also the basic process behind it. Remember, learning English opens up a world of technology, gaming, and so much more. Thanks for watching, and happy learning!